The top 5 worst skincare mistakes that are damaging your skin. Not using sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen can cause damage to your skin, so it's important to wear sunscreen every day. Over-exfoliating your skin can cause irritation, redness, and dryness. It's recommended to exfoliate no more than twice a week to avoid damage to the skin's natural barrier. Leaving makeup on overnight can clog pores, causing breakouts and blackheads. Always remove your makeup before bed to let your skin breathe. Products with harsh ingredients such as alcohol, fragrances, and sulfates can strip your skin of its natural oils and cause irritation. Stick to gentle, fragrance-free products that are designed for your skin type. Touching your face can transfer bacteria from your hands to your face, which can cause breakouts and irritation. Try to avoid touching your face and wash your hands regularly. It's important to be aware of these mistakes and take steps to avoid them to keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.